Welcome to Phase 2 of Buildeco's development of this council redundant garage site, built using the world's only 3D platform flat pack system. Site progress achieved in assembling the first floor took 7 working days, with a further 8 working days to assemble the roof structure. All panels and beams delivered to site in the back of a white van. Roof finishes and external cladding are now being applied along with the internal fit out. This is the end of the Phase 2. Our next video will be Phase 3, showing the completed building once the scaffolding is dismantled and the internal fit out has been completed, along with the external works including the landscaping.